saying, yeah man, Junior Cat there again man, that's promotion, you know. You don't know, we drop the big bad single where they and the video praises non-stop, you know. Still I wanna do it thing, you know, never give up, live it up. Back in the studio again right now to mash up this new rhythm again for you don't know. Gideon is on, we have a plan calm down.
With Jamaica on edge as the murder rate breached the 1300 mark in October, the veteran artist Junior Cat is perturbed at the wanton bloodlust that has seemingly overtaken the youth of Jamaica and the dark turn in the lyrical content of songs that dominate the nation's airwaves. I used to sing a lot of gun songs in my youth, but it wasn't like how it is in the society, with the constant murders. Today, the level of gun violence is terrible, and the youths are singing about premeditation, like them are describe actual crimes. That is not music. Junior Cat, the younger brother of superstar DJ Supercat, known for his edgy, gun-happy lyrics that dominated dance halls and stages in the 1990s, on such hit classics like Anorexal Body, My Gun Mouth, Dead You A Go Dead, Wickedest Gun, and Machine Gun Kelly. It may surprise many to know that Junior Cat is now a conscious reggae artist. Right now, it is all about doing love songs and roots rock reggae, he declared. A blast from the past, perhaps a once dominant force, a dormant talent, a career on pause, a different path taken, a mission incomplete, dreams unrealized, promise unfulfilled, or potential stifled. Join me as I rewind in order to fast forward to the present on the current status and situation of Jamaican personalities, once very visible and active, but not so much of late, in a bid to find out where are they now.
Mic check on a level, saying, check. Yo.
He said that today's generation of artists believe that songs that glorify trigger pulling and freaky sex is the way to success, and they are leading a generation of brotherless youth into self-destruction. Now for today's artists, never really into the badness growing up, but them do music to gain things, and now them own a house and have powers because they are making money and they want to be gangsters. Now so they must stray the youths their mind towards violence. It's a lie they must sell the youths. A big lie. There is no respect in badness. Guns are too prevalent now to be DJing about guns. The DJ who was once known as the architect of the modern gun song said.
20 grand DJ Courtney kill one and 40 grand and then we does another one and 60 grand we does man and woman. What a million and we does out the one gana. No the one that do nana, dandelion. Wanna turn the foot and we no second. Come to the and come left into the down.
Over the last 5 years, Junior Cat has been concentrating his efforts towards writing and recording songs with meaning that defend righteousness and preach upliftment. He did a cover of Hey Youth Man featuring UK-based singer Bonnie Lila, which soared to #1 and the ethnic reggae chart in the United States, and another single, It No Pretty, featuring Admiral Tibet, among others. He recorded an album where We Are Here to Do Ja Works 2 years ago for France-based producer Oliver Witter, with at least 2 of the tracks using rhythms created by Sly and Robbie. He has also recorded a special dubplate album for Voiceful Records. However, he says he gets no airplay in Jamaica.
King I'm gonna take gunshot now you better jump on or no jump on and then you want go dead. King I'm gonna put love in on them head jump on or no jump on I'm gonna let you go. Cause when you come this the program when I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna broke them foot.
I understand that it is not my era, but when we are DJ about guns, we don't plan to kill people. God bless the handful of people who are sing about righteousness now. The new gun songs and girl songs them are go too far, and them all are play on the radio. Cartel and alkaline freaky songs all over the radio, like black people just a discover sex. But if I have a song about righteousness, it now play on radio, he said. He said that as a parent, he has to consider the content of his music. A man must remember that certain things will be remembered. If your DJ say you are push a thing in a woman show, later on as a parent, a weed a go affect. Me cannot DJ no freaky songs. Me live on my name, my children are coming. When I am gone, I don't want anyone to say your father was a devil. Move fast from here, sir. No, I don't want that for my kids. I can't sing any and anything just for our money, he said.
So get a youth to better your Trinity. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. In the city of the Almighty. Glorious things are spoken of Jah. So get a youth to better your Trinity.
Songs, and although tempted, he has tried to steer a course of true north towards culture. I do a song called Shoot and Collect the other day for a producer, but he didn't put it out. That just show you how powerful the devil is, but it still have an original gangster feel. Me a DJ like me is a real killer. When my friend Early B died, then I lose Garnet Silk and then Nicodemus sick and dead. It forced me to look into myself years ago and realize that them leave it in my hand. This music and me can't do no foolishness, he said.
Road to travel and a mighty long way to go. And anything try for this king, I'm gonna in a sound class, somebody gonna play zero. When I want to shut them up.
Born Ricardo Maraj in Kingston, Jamaica, Junior Cat in his early teens used to hang out in the local clubs, shops and street corners of the Cockburn Pen community, the Pen, where he quickly developed a reputation for his witty freestyling ability. After winning a local talent contest, Junior Cat honed his craft on various sound systems, matching wits with the likes of Early B, Poddy Roots, Little Twitch and Ninja Man as the sound system culture swept the island. Junior Cat with his bad boy saga quickly built a reputation for holding no prisoners and on the microphone as part of the feared Kilimanjaro sound alongside Early B and Little Twitch. After taking a few prize scalps, he became known as the Wild Indian. He was given his first opportunity to record a song by producer King Jammy, and that single, Never This, the program, entered the national charts at number 3. Emboldened by the success, he began to spit out the hits such as Can't Near Me Out, Dead Man, Deportee, Figure, Inna My Gun Mouth, Funeral Bag, Original Dog Heart, The Smash Underground It, Killing PUSSY, Whosoever Will May Come, and Wickedest Gun. These songs made him a bona fide star and a regular fixture on the airwaves and led to recording of his debut album Top Dog in 1992 on the King Jammy label.
Listen, DJ Courtney out the baseline of slam. One to knock you down the wild in day and night. Say download of DJ Courtney on the episode 1. Bang bang bang. I do not like informer on the episode 1. When you hear me, man drop it up and man they pick it up a Kennedy. Forensic evidence is not unnecessary. When we take them and go show them if I jump and bury. Even around and save you or somewhere close to Perry.
After receiving much success from the release of Top Dog, Junior Cat moved to New York and signed to his brother Wild Apache label. During that union, he recorded several more songs such as Second and Do and Tell Them Stop It before collaborating with Supercat, Nicodemus and Junior Demus and Columbia Records, The Good, The Bad, The Ugly and The Crazy. Another one of his singles, Would I Let You Go, was featured on the soundtrack of the cult favorite movie Shutters. Shortly after the album dropped, Junior Cat's contract with Wild Apache expired and he pursued and explored other opportunities on the savannas of Europe, Japan, South America, where they hungered for a taste of the wild Indian. Not long after, he formed his own label, Mr. Maraj Music. He has been producing other artists as well as his own music in other countries. He returned to Jamaica 2 months ago after performing at a Sound Clash festival in Paris alongside Little John. Singers and players of instruments, the government are fall on your shoulder. We cannot fail the people, he said.
That performance that you did on stage show with that breath control thing that you have, from ever since I was watching you back in the days, you still have it to do that punchline something there, don't even know what to do to the crowd.
Yeah man, then somewhere we had a long time, wireless, long distance run, so the people them know so we all veteran from Kilimanjaro days. Them boy going to spit up in a mic, we ride rhythm like bike. Yeah son?
And I know you are the lyrical Dan.
Right, we have that lock.
And you still have it, you know, going nowhere.
Yeah, because our job that, you know, right now we have new tune coming and we have work at the same way, so nothing change, just so we keep low profile, but can't.
This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.